I got this piece where the leg broke off, and it's an old repair because I could see where the glue still is. Evidently this wood glue is high pressure glue, and if you don't squeeze these parts together real well, they won't hold very good. So you got to really make sure when you glue it. But anyway, first thing you got to do is you want to get all the glue off of there you possibly can. The old glue, that is. And the simplest way to start is just get you a rag and just put you a few drops on there. There we go. Smear it around. And what that'll do, that'll loosen up that glue. So if you give it about 5 minutes, especially if it's an interior glue that they use, which most of the time it is, just a small repair like this. If you give it about 5 minutes, maybe longer, I mean, you can give it as much time as you want. The more time you give it, the better. And then just take you some kind of chisel and just start scraping the old glue off. You can see the old glue coming up pretty easy. I'm not even pushing hard either. Pretty much, I mean, I've been working on this thing for about 20 minutes now. But the longer you work with it, the better your new joint's going to glue. Alright, so now we've got that done. We do this piece exactly the same way. Put some water on there, let it set a few minutes, and get all the glue off of it. One thing I do want to show you, when you're choosing your glue, you want to make darn sure, especially if it's furniture, you're using interior use, water cleanup, which means when this dries and you've got some glue runs on your furniture or something, you can just take a wet rag. Of course you have to go over it for a while, but it'll wipe right off. The interior exterior you cannot, so you want to make sure you get just the interior because it is water resistant. So if you get some extra glue on your furniture, it's not coming off unless you sand it, and you know what that means. Now when you're going to be gluing up furniture, you want to have a dry rag and a wet rag. Have it ready and handy. Now when you're working with these clamps, you always want to make sure you got some kind of rubber pad so you don't mark up your furniture. And you got to have everything ready. Cover it completely. This is where that rag comes in handy. You want to get that extra glue off of there. And the thing about this glue is that it's a high pressure glue, so in other words, you have to really clamp down good and hard on it. You see, we've got some glue squashing out right there, so we have to make sure we get that off of there. And we turn it around the other way and check this side too, which you've got to make sure everything is perfect. And the thing about this glue is that it is really fast setting. That's what I like about it. I feel, see, it's still just a hair off. There we go. Okay, now we got it perfect. Okay, we'll let that set for about a minute, and then we're going to move our clamp. It's been about a minute, so now we're going to reposition our clamp. Everything looks great. Alrighty. Alrighty. Let's see what we got here. We save this to make our own fill because it's the color of the wood already.